Hey you guys, so I did a 99-cent store haul. I was on a tight budget this week, very tight budget. So I got over half of the groceries from the 99-cent store. You know, basically I'm doing what I gotta do. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so this is everything. Hopefully, y'all don't judge me. You know, I've been going through a lot lately, and I had to cut corners because of doctor bills. So I decided to do some of my shopping at the 99-cent store to save some money, and it is what it is. You know, I'm not ashamed. I'm just like everybody else, and that's my truth. But anyway, let's start with the cleaning stuff. I got some dishwashing liquid right there. I got some scrubby sponges. I finally found the silver one, y'all, to scrub my pots, because you guys know the copper gold one or whatever, it leaves stains in the sink. So I got the silver one. Let me start with the front. Then I also got some pineapple that's gonna go with some shrimp that I have in the freezer for my husband. You guys know I can't eat it. I got some frozen fruit to, help along with the fruit I already have for my smoothies in the mornings. I got some frozen vegetables. I got some breakfast sausage. A cool thing I saw, first of all, I didn't know the peppers, they had peppers like this. So I got this one, was $1. Mini peppers. Then I had a big old honeydew melon, $1. This bag of apples. Let me go around the side. Let me start go the front. Anyway, the peppers. I got jasmine rice. This is a 24-ounce, 1 pound, a pound and a half of jasmine rice. I got 2 sweet potatoes, which I'm probably gonna put with the shrimp. The sauce, I have some pomegranate vinegar. I was surprised by this. I'm really interested to try this out to see how it works out for me. So I'm interested about that. Then I had bought some spicy ketchup, of course vinegar to wash my meat. I got some blue cheese salad dressing. I got some chicken broth. These bag of apples were not $1, they were $1.99, but I still think it was a deal because in Walmart, 1 green apple is 97 cents. But they're bigger than these, but I got some turbinado raw sugar for sauce. I got some English muffins, croutons for salad. Oh, that I got from Fiesta. I was about to say, there goes the water. And some noodles. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I did what I had to do, y'all. And all of this was only $22 and some cents. So yeah, and hope y'all enjoyed my haul. I can't wait to show you guys the sauces that I'm gonna make with these condiments over here. I'm just gonna make it work, honey. I'm gonna hook it up. But yeah, I'll catch you on my next video. Bye. Another thing I wanted to show you guys, this was not a part of the haul. Fiesta in Houston and Katy has limes, 20 limes. I literally have 20 limes in here for $1. So if you live in Houston or Katy, 20 limes, $1.